I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by checking the essentials. You need the matching Minecraft version and the voice chat mod or plugin installed. You should open your system sound settings and ensure your microphone is selected at an audible level and not muted. Once done, shut down competing audio apps like Discord or Teams because they can lock the mic. Make sure Minecraft has microphone permission in your OS privacy settings. This prevents the game from accessing input. Doing these steps removes most simple access blockers quickly. Next, install the voice chat mod or server plugin that matches your Minecraft edition. Mods for vanilla and servers differ. Once installed, open the mod's in-game settings and choose the proper input and output devices, set volume, and decide between push-to-talk or open mic. If the mod supports codec, sample rate, or proximity voice, set them to common defaults like 48K HC and a reasonable range. These detailed config choices prevent distortion and ensure other players hear you at correct distances. Finish by testing voice in a live session. Ask a friend to confirm audio or use any built-in loopback test. If audio is quiet or choppy, update your audio drivers and the voice mod, then restart the game client and system. This clears cached errors. If problems persist, verify the server allows the mod, check port forwarding and firewall permissions, and confirm antivirus isn't blocking the mod. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.